superannuation of professors up to 65 years, including colleges of medical, professors of medical college. Now, my lord, I am retiring tomorrow on attaining the age of 60 years. Now, till date, my lord, no order has been passed. Just in the month of September, my lord, another colleague of ours from physics department, his service has been extended. I would like to move that petition. I'll pray for an order of status quo.
But how long will you take? I mean, the filing and the,
Done. It's already done.
can it come now?
Yes, yes. Well, half an hour to 1 hour will get it.
Okay, try to make it half an hour.
Yes, half an hour. I'm deeply obliged, beloved.
But with consent of the other side, well, I have a prayer for adjournment of item 23. But I am for respondent number 1. But the deponent could not come down for filing the affidavit. I pray for further 1 week time.
You have taken the consent?
I
am for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, kindly date may be fixed,
Yes.
my lord.
I have taken the consent.
Third, Mr.
HP Gwala, my lord.
S.
One.
Gwala, then counsel for the petitioner.
23.
On request made by Mr. D. Nath, Leonard to counsel appearing for the response number 1.
1. But
It's the matter. When do you want?
let it be on 13.
13.
Obliged.
These matters may be listed for motion on Monday, my lord, the 4th of.
Why Monday?
One is regarding suspension and another is for completion with appointment.
Suspension will have it on Monday. Completion will have it on 6th.
May I please, your lordship? May I please, your lordship? I paid for listed it petition, your lordship's direction, I have filed an IA for correction of the address of the period response 7. 6th, your lordship. Obliged.
My lord, for listing matter, that will be Monday, madam. It is a selection matter, the assistant professor of the college.
Six.
Madam.
In my case, your lordship has granted permission to be the case to be listed on last Wednesday, but it is not listed to yesterday, nor my lord today itself. Matter pertinence, I have been selected to a post, my lord. Subsequent advertisement has been issued, my lord. So matter may be taken on Monday, my lord. Okay.
May I please, your lordship? I would like to mention for a unlisted moving, my lord. The urgency is there, my lord.
What is the urgency?
Urgency is that, my lord, the managing committee headed by me has been dissolved without following the due procedure. And tomorrow is scheduled the meeting for reconstitution of the committee.
When was it dissolved?
Dissolved on 9th of this month, but
What took you so long?
the order was not furnished to me yet, my lord. I have collected it from the member secretary recently, my lord.
At least you know that the notice has been served for constitution of a new SMC.
No, my lord. Notice has been issued yesterday, my lord.
If you can have it before 12, that's fine. Otherwise,
My lord, I will try.
before 12, I cannot.
My lord, I will try, my lord.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention for listing of the case on Wednesday, madam. 6th, madam.
Have it on 8, 6 also is quite.
Lordship, advertisement, last date of advertisement will come, my lord, that's why.
When is the last date of it?
Lordship, Friday or Saturday. Friday.
Okay, 6.
May I please, your lordship? Therefore, listing selection of the appointment, lordship.
Huh?
Selection of the appointment, lordship. Meta-rating, lordship, selection of the appointment, lordship.
Oh, so
Next week, lordship. Any date.
12, 11.
May I please, your lordship, my prayer is for listing an IA lordship regarding implement of party lordship next week any date.
11.
She contract application listed day before yesterday, lordship, but however, due to procedure time could not taken up. So I pay for next week, lordship, for orders.
13th.
May I please, your lordship, prayer for listing lordship for admission lordship. Next week any date lordship.
18th. Yeah.
May I please? May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention for listing an item, your lordship. For admission.
18th.
Lordship, can it be on 12, lordship?
14th.
Mr. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing pension matter lordship. Any day in the next week.
14th. 14th.
Mr. Bliss. My lordship, I beg to mention for the listing on a content matter.
18.
Yeah, please, your lordship, I want to mention regarding listing of a read on witness, the lordship. It's
Why?
for,
What is your?
it's for regularization of the service of the petitioner, and petitioner is already 59 years old, lordship.
13, 13.
13th.
I am praying for listing of a case for motion. Case is already numbered, Lordship. Next week, evening week.
Motion.
Motion.
Okay.
Wednesday, Lordship.
8.
Applies. May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a contempt matter for orders, which was last posted
13.
30. Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
Item 1 of daily list, motion.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, in this matter, petitioner was granted one advance increment, Lord.
Yeah, who appears?
Yes, I am happy.
Yes.
I have received your instruction, madam. As per our instruction, madam, after 10/7/2012, those who are acquired the B.Ed degree, they are not.
There's already a notification, isn't it? This court has already quashed one direction.
Yes,
And after that, you have issued a notification.
yes, ma'am.
Where is that notification? I can't find this notification in this petition.
Lordship, another, on the same issue, another incumbent receipt, this, answer was given, Lordship, earlier occasion. This notification is. Both these criteria are fulfilled, Lordship, by the petitioner.
That was the notice of 2016, and that notice, madam, by the Kamalesh Kumar Hajang case, madam.
That is
it
overruled,
was-
Lordship.
I'm talking about this. 21st July 2016. This court has passed several orders, isn't it? Where are those orders?
Lordship, interim order was passed on
Not
25
not
2000.
about the interim. This court has disposed of many cases
Yes.
similar to this. Where are those orders? I can't find that document now.
This is the 8196 2019.
You come properly equipped, we list it on 6th. You come equipped
Lordship.
with all the,
Interim order will be continued, Lordship.
okay. Third MS,
The data.
they declare the counsel for the petition. Mr. U. Shamal and
For secondary
counsel
education, because
appears for the secondary education department and Mr. Didas, unit, standing counsel. Appears on behalf of Mr. D. Shamal and the standing counsel and accountant general. This on 6.
25/7/2016, no?
There's already an order in your favor. Do you get those orders?
Lordship, this is the order of the Honorable High Court,
The
Lordship.
latest orders.
Yeah,
Get
obliged,
the
Lordship.
latest one.
Some.
May I please, your lordship? On 21/8, lordship, it was asked.
Yeah, where is the order on the appeal? Have you passed an order? Appeal was heard on 24/9/2024.
And staying order.
Has been passed.
Yes.
Lordship, I haven't received it for the.
Due to lack of pass percentage,
One minute.
they could not allow.
This is an interim order only. Where is the final order? This order speaks that this is an interim order only and final order will be passed after the report from the Director of Secondary Education.
On the last paragraph, my lord. Last paragraph, last line. For a consequential orders in the prayer petition under section 14 of the 2017 Act submitted by the motion.
This is what this court said. You file an appeal under section 14 of the Act of 2014 and then let the secretary pass an order.
Yes.
Now you have not passed any orders. This is only an interim order. When are we passing the final order? This is what the petitioner wants only, that the
Sometime may be granted, I will give the provide instruction.
okay, you instruct your secretary to pass the final order.
Yes, ma'am.
Heard Mr.
DC none.
PC not learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. U Sharma, learned standing counsel. Elementary,
Secondary.
secondary department, secondary education department. Submits that the secretary to the governor of Assam, Department of School Education, has passed an order on 17/10/2024. However, the same is only an interim order. And the final orders would be passed after receiving the report from the Director of Secondary Education Department. He therefore prays for some time to enable him to receive further instructions. Stop. Prayer is allowed. When do you want?
After 3 weeks, my lord. Or 2 weeks. Oh, yes, my lord.
Lordship after 15 Lordship November. And after 15 any day.
Okay, if you want it, again, I thought of meeting it early. Least on 22nd November.
26. Lordship.
3.
My lord, in this matter, we need some more time to obtain instruction, my lord. The issue is regarding
You have appeared in the counseling?
No, it has not been held, Lordship.
Not yet held.
Not yet held.
When are you having it?
My lord, I don't have the instruction right now. The interim may be continued if intermittent, so your lordship may pose the matter in the next week, my lord.
Okay.
Next
Third,
Friday.
Mr. M.P. Shamal and the counsel for the petitioner. On request made by Mr. D.P. Boral and the standing counsel health department. 6, is it okay?
On 8th, my lord.
Please the matter on 8. Interim order pass ready to continue.
Public.
4.
My lord, in this case, I have come with a very limited prayer, my lord. Here, my lord, regarding the selection of esteemed professor in Arabic department in Borkhetri College, where my lord, in pursuance of the advertisement 14/2/2024, I applied for it. It is reserved for ABC and MOBC, my lord. So
The issue is,
does not have the, my lord, the non-criminal certificate phase.
no, these are all based on information, isn't
No,
it?
because my lord, I have filed a representation before the DAC, my lord. As well, I filed a RTA application before the, my lord, principal, but not has been responded, my lord. This is my case, my lord.
Yeah, Bhuyan.
So, my lord, final call will be taken by the DAC, my lord. The terrorism will be given to the representation, my lord. That time of filing.
No, these are all basing on hearsay.
But
Hearsay.
RTA I have filed.
Now, this court cannot pass any
No,
any
I-
orders just
Okay, my lord,
because
let them obtain instruction, my lord, then, my
you
lord.
get instructions. Heard Mr. P. Mandal and the council. On request, Mr. S. Bhuyan and standing council, higher education.
Lots 1 and 2 lots.
Solicit instructions. When do you want?
Within 2 weeks lots of 10 days. So
Give a date after 10 days.
13,
13 of November. Last September.
5.
No, I'm,
Here notice flexible.
no, my lord, division bench is first order, final order. The matters are under consideration before the government.
So,
So that- So similar order as in page 200, my lord. It is in view of the, my lord, government minutes policy. For the policy, your lordship will get it at page 191.
one,
And the 191, this is the policy. The government, number one, the government of Assam will consider extending the benefits of old pension scheme to those employees who join the government service.
page,
Page 191.
yes.
Yes, number one, this is the minutes of the meeting held on 15/3/24 in the conference hall of Honorable Chief Minister Assam with Sadhu Assam so and so Orissa. Number one, the meeting was chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister Assam, and after brief introductions of the officials of the government of Assam and official members and representatives of the Sadhu Assam Karmachari Parishad, the following decisions were taken. The government of Assam will consider extending the benefits of old pension scheme to those employees who joined the government service after January 25, but the recruitment process for the concerned process was started prior to January 2005, in line with current recent OM issued by the central government. These petitioners were appointed in the year 2000. Ultimately, they were regularized in the year 2010. So therefore, they come in, although my lord, writ petition was dismissed in similar cases, High Court passed this order at page 200. my lord. The same order I am replacing. my lord.
Yes,
Third,
anybody have it?
because the matters are under consideration before the government. Similar order will have to go.
Yeah,
Lordship, at this stage, a notice may be issued.
this is a matter where your government has taken a decision to give the all pension scheme to those employees.
To consider and go.
In terms of the meeting held on 15/3/2024. So if you want time, I can give you a short time and we fix it on the next day. On that day, we dispose it out.
my lord, the matter, similar matters, my lord, government has accepted.
No, that's
Division bench.
That's fine.
Division bench has accepted, my lord.
So
I think, my lord, similar.
Grant us a short period. In the meantime, we'll just verify lordship and the similar order can be passed for the next week.
that's what I'm saying.
Fixed. Next week, my lord.
Not Mr. B.D. Das, the senior counsel, assisted by Mr.
Mr.
Yes,
D Bania.
D.
Bania.
Paniel and a counsel. On request made by MS.
B Decca
B.
for elementary education department.
Learned Standing Council Elementary Education Department. And Mr. P. Chalia, A. Chalia, and the Standing Council Finance. Release the matter. When do you want?
Next week, my lord.
How much time do you require?
14 minutes.
Okay, list the matter on 11 to enable them to receive instructions.
I appear for point number 8.
MSH Tiranki Learning Council, Learned
Secondary.
Studying Council appears for the secondary education.
All this up to 8,
Up to
up to 12.
12. Same.
Up to 12.
Let it be separate orders.
13 and 14 admission. Thirteen and 14 admission.
You have some instructions?
Not yet, my lord. We have filed our affidavit.
No, an order was passed to get some instruction with regard to the status of the CID case. Yes, Tutia, number 6 of 2006.
Yes, my lord. 6 of 2006. Now, my lord, petitioner is under trial, my lord.
Yeah.
As per our affidavit, annexer 4, my lord.
Ah, that's why. Wanted to know the status of the CID case.
Not yet, my lord. Kindly 1 week time may be allowed.
None appears for the petitioner. MS N. Fukan, Understanding Council, Elementary Education. Prays for some time to receive instructions in terms of the order dated 23/9/2024. Praise allowed. Please, doctor,
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Diploma.
15.
Very clear. And also supposed to file the affidavit. So on many occasions, they took time to file affidavit. Instructions regarding, let's say, as to why the petitioners and service have been accommodated as a tutor, although they have been appointed in a vacant sanction post pursuant to a selection process.
You have the qualification also?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Fukan, A. Fukan.
If you can, that took time. And actually subsequently, let's say, although it is not legally sustainable, the division bench recently, let's say, order has been passed regarding the service of the tutor.
Madam, I'm taken after some time.
Affidavit is supposed to be filed.
You have not filed your affidavit, additional affidavit.
And next week, let's say, that may be fixed, Lord. Last time, already
But
many of them
them
took time.
for the petitioner
If you can.
on request made on behalf of A. Fukan, Understanding Council, Elementary Education Department. This is the matter again on 11th.
11. I said last time.
That will see, let him come with it, otherwise
16.
So can it be on 12th, Lordship, instead of 12th of November? Deeply obliged, Lordship. May I please? It's ready for disposal, otherwise, man.
not today.
If they are agreeable, I can proceed.
Lordship, I appeared for the Social Justice Department. The petitioner has challenged the rule, your lordship. And
What rule?
lordship, that is the
Assam Social
Oh,
Welfare.
yes, lordship. But as a department, we could not frame the rule, your lordship. The rule has to be framed by the government, your lordship, personal department, lordship. We have followed that rule, and on the basis of that rule, we rejected prayer because there is no statutory provision, your lordship. For that, lordship, government, personal department advocate is required in this matter.
Who appears for the personal department?
rule challenge করেছে নোটিফিকেশন যদি ফাইনাল না না এটা ডিবিট না দেয় ডিবিট করে এসে
Response number 8 is the personal department.
Yeah, P. Saikia, you were appearing in the last occasion.
এখানে আমি রিজেক্ট করে দিতে চাই এখানে রিপ্লাই করব এখানে
You receive instructions and come back. But Mr. B. Purkas also. On request made by Mr. B. Cycle and Governor Advocate appearing for the response number 8. When do you want?
After 3 weeks.
Oh,
It will be too late, my lord, because my petitioners are going to retire.
Please the matter on 20 November.
Amen.
আপনার
Actually, beg apology, lordship, on 12 lordship, I am out of station, 14th lordship. It's actually preoccupied on that, 14th of November. Deep level. Item number 15, lordship.
15 is your matter, isn't it?
Yes, 14th of November,
14.
deep level.
17.
Please, your lordship. As per the order dated 39/2024 and all earlier orders, they're supposed to get the instruction as to why this area salary of these petitioners have not been paid.
Yes. Where is H. Tiranki? She was here earlier. Elementary or secretary?
Secondary, your
Have
lordship.
you received instruction?
Yes, ma'am. I have received from the inspector of school. This is.
The petitioner 4 and 9, they have received.
They have received, the rest have not received.
Why?
Here it is stated that as the original area claim arises under Director of Elementary Education, hence this office initiated steps to confirmation as well as sanctioning of the claim area amount. As most of the petitioners retired from their service before they come under the Director of Secondary Education, and as such to verifying each and every claim of petitioners, and this office prayed for allowing some time. Some time is required here.
How long will it take?
I think that was the instruction they placed way back on in the December 2023. Thereafter, the secondary education was impleted on 12/2/2024. And since then, they've been taking these instructions, your lordship.
Yes, Sharma.
That's an admitted claim. There is no dispute to that.
2 weeks, madam, may be granted. So that I can.
Okay, I'm recording what you have just said, that
Yes.
the claim of the petition is under consideration. Correct?
I think
No, madam, it is verifying, madam.
That you are verifying the claim of the petitioner.
Yes. This
But Mr. R.
no, your lordship, I think your lordship will just place correlation. They say that as per the original area claim arises under the Director of Elementary Education.
No, that I've heard.
Hence, this office initiated steps to confirmation as well as sanctioning.
Yes, to verify.
So therefore, the question of verifying does not arise.
No,
Whether
no,
it is confirmed,
read further on.
is a request.
This point number 6.
7.
Ada mediation copy too.
But Mr. R. Sinha, learned counsel for the petition. Mr. U. Sharma, learned standing counsel.
Secondary education.
Secondary Education submits that the original error claim by the petitioners under
5:30.
verification.
Okay.
And therefore press for some more time to enable him to receive updated instructions. Praise the Lord. When do you want?
After 2 weeks, my lord.
List after 2 weeks.
May I pray for a date in that case, your lord? Positively, they'll get the instruction on that day.
22nd, list on 22nd.
So I'm taking on the report.
Okay, Mr. B. Shamal, and the Standing Council Accountant General, appears for the Accountant General.
Deeply obliged.
18.
No.
May it please, my lord. Matter pertains to change of base school status, my lord.
Conference file,
No, my lord.
No, my lord. Not yet filed, my
how
lord.
long are you going to take?
My lord, 1 week, my lord. Actually, Mr. B. Chaudhary on some medical grounds is not available today, my lord. Arbin Council, my lord.
He has received instructions?
No, my lord. All the briefs and file are with him, my lord.
Okay. We keep him so.
My lord, last opportunity may be given because, my
But
lord,
Mr. P.R. Shamal and the council for the petition. On request made on behalf of Mr. B. Chowdhury, the Standing Council has said. List the matter after 1 week.
My lord.
date may kindly be fixed, my lord.
List the matter on 13th November.
1-3, my lord.
Yeah.
Deeply obliged.
Highly obliged, my lord.
20. May I please, Worship?
And earlier NJ Khatunian was appeared and he was about to file the affidavit in opposition, but my lord, he is out of station, my lord, so sometime maybe granted.
My lord,
On
this is
behalf of
already admitted question. The advance increment is denied to the petitioners, my lord, on account of acquiring the B.Ed degree, my lord. Those who are appointed prior to 2012 and have got their B.Ed degree, my lord, they are already the thousands of teachers have been granted.
No, this
B.Ed
court
increment.
has also passed several orders.
How, my lord, huge orders are annexed with this writ petition also.
Even this court has passed some orders.
Yes.
But we broadcast and the council for the petition. On request made on behalf of Mr. N.J. Khatun.
NJ Khatunian.
The Standing Council Secretary Division. When?
This after 2 weeks, my lord. He is on tour, my lord. He is on tour now. So, my lord,
What tool?
Sikkim.
Okay, then we'll dispose it of. Let him.
No,
be in
after 2 weeks, my lord.
On my lord, on 14th or 13th, my lord.
20.
21.
May it please, your lordship. So this is a case, my lord, the same ground on the 2 occasions they have rejected my claim for provincialization.
Yes, Kiranki.
Again, my lord, that order has been set aside by this honorable court. Again, same ground they have taken. Only, my lord, to delay the, and my lord, petitioner is 58, more than 58 years, my lord, old.
I have received the instruction here, my lord. I want to file the affidavit, my lord. It is a 24 matter, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. M. Kandakar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. U. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel Secretary Division, submits that he has received instructions and prays for
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to file.
My lord, any date, my lord, after.
Is on 22nd November.
22nd, 11 mil.
Hmm.
I am obliged.
Lordship,
This
application
for.
may I try an adjournment for the timing?
Hello. What timing?
So my senior is on the way.
Huh?
My senior is on the way.
The violation order dated 15/12/2022, my lord. Last 2 years, my lord, they have not complied the order, my lord.
Timing.
Okay, wait for some.
24.
My lord, here
Notice is served.
Notice, sir, my lord, I think that twice notice has been issued, my lord. Issued. Lord, my friend can appear, my lord. He is the director.
No AT card, no unserved notice, nothing has come back.
My lord,
You take,
steps,
you take fresh steps.
steps taken on 14/5, my lord.
It was sent on 25, till now no notice has come back, no AT
Then, my
card.
lord, it may be posted before the laws in my court.
No, you take fresh steps, after that we'll consider in the next phase. Mr. M.R. Kandagal and the counsel for the petitioner, praised for taking fresh steps for service of notice on the sole respondent by registered post AD. Stop. Praise allowed. Let such steps be taken within a period of 1 week from today. At least up to 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Is it?
Lordship, regarding item number 13 and 14, Lordship, I could not reach 13 and 14 of today's list.
What order was it passed? You are not there. Oh. Okay, then I'll say one thing, 13 and 14, just say hurt MS MD. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Huh? Then on request made by what order was it?
And
Okay. That same order will continue. I'll just record your presence.
It's
Yes, till I think it is Bahadur, whatever. Okay.
26.
right.
26. Lordship, I see, Lordship, the apology, what had happened is that I had taken steps. There was a shortage of stamp. I had informed my clerk, but he did not do his bit. So I may be allowed to take the, give the shortage of stamp. That's the office note which is saying on 2510. Office note may be perused.
Okay. Mr.
RJ Das.
R.G. Das, then the counsel for the petitioner submits that he would be.
I'll do, give the shortage, I'll fulfill the
that he
shortage
will be
today,
giving the shortage of the postal stamps
today itself.
within the course of the day. Stop. Praise the Lord. List after 4 weeks.
Interim order may be done. 16/9.
Okay, interim order possibly to continue.
Deeply obliged.
25.
Got it.
We have taken Dusty upon respond number 4, 5, and 6, Lordship.
You file your affidavit.
We have not filing, we will be filing.
Okay, Mr. Ardal and the counsel for the petitioner submits that they have taken steps on the respondents 4 and 5 by Dusty Service.
4,
4,
5,
5 and 6 by Dusty Service. And prays for a week's time to file an affidavit with the data. Praise the Lord.
interim order.
List after 2 weeks. Interim order partially to continue till the next meeting.
Obliged, sir.
27.
Lordship, after provincial election, the petitioner has received salary, Lordship. Thereafter, she retired, Lordship. But for few months from September 2021 to March 2023, she has not received salary. So last time direction is given to pendency shall not be barred to release this salary. Admitted amount, Lordship, for 16 months only.
Lordship, in this matter, we have received our instruction. So grant us 2 weeks time to file our affidavit.
Okay, how about the respondent 5 and 6?
I have taken steps, registered steps, Lordship. It's already have been a formal party, Lordship. I don't have any grievance.
Oh, on
Already I retired.
28/10 only, on
Lo-
28/10 it was sent.
Yes, Lordship. I don't have any grievance against those respondent of 5 and 6.
Anyway,
Lordship.
since part A decal and consider petition. Await service report on the respondents 5 and 6. And list the matter after 2 weeks.
Yes.
In the meantime, the official respondents are allowed to file affidavit.
Lordship,
They receive instruction.
we have received our
Lordship.
I'm not, so far, I cannot 22, my lord. Okay, it takes on next Monday, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. A.K. Sharma and the council for the petition on request made on behalf of Mr. P.G. Foucault. Then it's council for the sole respondent.
Sole respondent.
Sole respondent. When do you want?
No, next week, my lord.
On 8. 8.
Much obliged.
Those unlisted matters. Okay. If it comes, you. Yes.
This is a communication by government to all the vice chancellors, including Cotton University. Implementation of the government decision taken by the cabinet in its meeting held on 19/9/12, raising age of retirement. I am directed to convey the government's decision taken in the cabinet's meeting held on 19/9/12 as stated below for taking necessary action at your end. Now, my lord, below is the cabinet decision. It was decided to raise retirement age of all professors of educational institutions, including medical colleges, to 65 years. So that is why, my lord, it was communicated. Now, my lord, will kindly come to page number 43. No, I could go. Yeah, yes, page 43. It was on 16th of July 24. In pursuance to the decision taken by the Honorable Cabinet dated 19/9/2012, the Government of Assam in the Higher Education Department is pleased to extend the service of Dr. Ganesh Chandra Wari, retired Professor of Physics and Pro VC, up to 65 years with effect from 1/4/24. So they have already implemented the decision.
Okay.
Yes. Now, my lord, I will otherwise attain the age of retirement tomorrow. Now, my lord, my case was forwarded. Then government sought response from the registrar. Now, please come to page 40, my lord. 40. It was a report submitted by the registrar of the Cotton University to the state government in the Higher Education Department, wherein, if your lordship would kindly come to the second subpara. In the meanwhile, has your lordship got it?
Yeah.
Yes. In the meanwhile, Professor Ganesh Chandra Wari, Department of Physics, Cotton University, has written a letter dated 21st of February 23 to the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam Higher Education, stating that since he has already been promoted to the position of professor in physics under CS, that is Career Advancement Scheme, promotion on 16/1/88, he is scheduled to be superannuated in March 24 as per earlier norms. His age of retirement should be raised to 65 years from 60 years as per government decision. So this has been acted upon, my lord, order 43. Now, my lord, when my case was referred to the government, now this order is passed at page 52, 62. Kindly see, my lord, subject regarding extension of service to 65 years in respect of Professor Rakhi Kolita Moral, that's the petitioner, Professor of English, Cotton College. With reference to the subject and letters cited above, I am directed to request you to appoint any professor within the approved post of professor by following due process, and Professor Ganesh Chandra Wari may also be accommodated accordingly in the university. So this is neither here nor there. My lord, professors can be appointed by two ways. There could be direct recruitment and there could be promotion under CAS. And my lord, there are instances where professors has been recruited at the age of 61 years and they are continuing up to 65 years. So, my lord, which is the reason why they are withholding my extension, my lord? So what I pray today, my lord, as status quo as regards my service be maintained, let's have a state file their affidavit, my lord.
Yes, Nair, you are for the cotton.
For the university.
Is it a cotton university?
Yes.
Cotton. Yes, Das.
Not as per this letter at page 60.
Something is going wrong somewhere. As per the documents that I've gone through, as per the annexures, cabinet has taken the decision to raise it to 65 years. Similarly situated professors, they have also written to the government. Government has taken a decision and they have been allowed to that page 43 or 44.
Yes, sir.
No, but for this petitioner, why?
My lord, as per this letter at page 62, my lord, government has asked the Cotton University to take a decision, my lord, as they desire, my lord. Because after the Cotton
So the
College
cabinet
become,
decision is gone for 6.
because after the Cotton College become university, my lord.
My lord, here the Cotton University Act of 2017, there's a section 52, which is extracted, my lord, at page 46. Page 46.
Yes.
My lord may come to subclause C, then serial number 3, section 52(1), lordship finds towards the bottom of the page. The bold portion, my lord.
Yes.
Against
All
three
posts.
of the act speaks about the status of existing teachers and staff of Cotton College and Cotton College State University in the newly established Cotton University, which reads as under. All posts of Cotton College and Cotton College State University, including the vacant posts, are transferred immediately to the Cotton University with effect from the date of commencement of this act. My lord, here, what happened is Cotton University, earlier it was Lordship knows Cotton College. Then in 2011, Cotton College State University was established. There were some PILs and all, in which my learned senior also appeared, my lord. Upon which the government took a decision and established Cotton University, upgrading Cotton College to that of a university. My lord, the professors and faculty members and employees of Cotton College, at that point of time, they were government employees. So their status had to be protected. So they are treated as a special cadre and their salaries are paid by the government through the treasury. We are merely an administrative authority over the erstwhile employees of Cotton College. We have no role to play. In fact,
Basically,
in
it is
this
the
case,
state government.
it is the state government. In
Okay.
this case, my lord,
Heard Mr. K.N. Chowdhury, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. R.M. Deka, Learned Counsel for the petition. Stop. You want to take instructions or issue
Yes, my
notice?
lord. I'll kindly.
Lordship will issue notice in any case. Lordship will
No,
have to examine the matter.
What we can do, we can list it next week.
Yes, my lord.
And then you come with, if no instructions, then we'll issue notice on the next date.
Yes, my lord.
And then you file your affidavit.
Yes, sir.
Mr. S.
Yes,
Das, Learned Standing Council, Higher Education.
I'll be appearing
Praise
one
for a
minute.
short time to enable him to receive instructions. Praise allowed. When do you want?
My lord,
6th?
yes, my lord, 6.
List on 6th. Till then, status quo is on today, shall be maintained.
Deeply. As regards petitioner service.
As regards the
but I appear for 3 and 4 now.
Oh, sorry. Mr. P.T. Nair, Learned Counsel, appears, Learned Standing Council.
Standing.
Appears for the Cotton University and Mr. C. Barwa,
I don't have load.
Learned Standing Council. Accountant General.
My learned friend says he has no role. He has the biggest role, my lord. Because pay will have to be released.
The most material role, my lord.
Deeply obliged.
Where's the other one? Do you remember the council? Where's? Then I'll come back.
SMDC, this committee, I lost complaint
Oh, you are the vice president?
Lordship. I lodged complaint against him, Lordship, regarding misappropriation, Lordship, before the Deputy Commissioner, Lordship. Then Deputy Commissioner accorded approval. As per approval, this committee was dissolved, Lordship.
Was an inquiry held?
No, my lord,
That is what I would like to submit. Only records should reflect it. As of today, my lord, even in case of termination from service, my lord, unless and until the records are placed on record. For the honorable court, my lord, interims are not, my lord, appreciable at this stage. My lord.
but
One thing can be done if the present process goes on. We have, if we assume for a moment that its termination, the dissolution is correct, a stay at this process at this time, my lord, will delay the entire school function. Let the process go on. In case he has a case, it can always be reverted back.
my lord,
It can be set back.
my lord,
This case can be appealed. At this stage, let there be a notice. Very short notice of 2 or 3 weeks. We'll place the records before this honorable court. Whether he's entitled for interim or not. Interim can be considered on the next day on the basis of records.
here is there is a problem, my lord, because after the dissolution of the committee, my lords, a process was initiated for reconstitution. If it is reconstituted, then my lord, rights of another person will be arised. So this is a short date may be given that till then, my lord, instead of
one thing
that
is this.
shall be maintained, my lord.
9th of October,
Yeah.
it was dissolved. The vice president is aware. The principal is aware. That would indicate the members of the SMDC are all aware, except you.
And here as per my.
That is the problem this court is facing.
My learned.
How can you say that you have not received
Perhaps
a copy?
because of the oblivion, the steps have been taken because he remains
That's why
oblivious of what is happening.
My lord, my learned colleague has appeared for the caveat or has already stated that he made the complaint, man.
Oh.
So obviously, if he will not give me that order, man. At that part, if there is a complaint, my lord, then there should be an hearing, my lord.
When it is dissolved,
My lord.
it is his first duty to show it to you that you are already gone.
That was not, but that was not done, my lord.
He made your complaint against you.
At this instance, my lord, record is
Then
necessary.
on the approval of the district commissioner, whoever, it was dissolved. So he got his things done. So he got what he wanted. So it is first thing is he'll have to come in, he will show it to you. See, now you're no more there, you are gone.
Because if
How
he
can
show,
you say you didn't
if
get
he
it?
shown me, then I will immediately approach this honorable court, my lord. A record will be revealed.
Thing
My
and
lord,
then
if the fresh committee is
and
then my lord.
normally notice is issued when a fresh committee is to be constituted.
Full notice will come.
How many days notice is
Or,
required?
14 days notice for the meeting to be convened.
Huh.
Meeting is convened. Thereafter, these names are proposed to the through the inspector of schools to the director.
Exactly.
Which file goes to the guardian minister. What we call for every district, we have a guardian minister.
So the meeting has not been convened till now. So normally meeting is to be convened. You would have got a notice for the convening of the meeting also. That's why you're coming today. So what I'll do, I'll give them some time, Mr. Majumdar, to receive instructions. By then, we'll have it next week. By then, it won't have finalized. It will take some time. Because resolution will be passed. That resolution will go to the director. Director will take some time. Tomorrow is a holiday in the state government.
Tomorrow and day after both holidays.
Both are
2 days
holidays.
my lord.
Saturday and Sunday, nothing will happen. So we'll have it on Monday or Tuesday.
I don't know, my will have it on Thursday or Friday because I'll need 1 or 2 days
Okay.
to get the instruction. It's from Lakin.
Heard Mr. Emia Hussain, counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. MK
Hussain,
Hussain, Learned Council for the
caveat,
who's the caveat?
I have not made party, lordship.
Oh, then heard Mr. So and so for the petitioner. On request made by R. Majumdar, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education Department. List on 8.
Like that, my lord, interim may be considered, my lord. No.
I'm finding it difficult to digest. The 9-10 was not served to you. Notice of convening the meeting of the governing body. Also, you came to know me now. That's difficult. So anyway, If we find that you have a case, we'll put
Dispose.
you back, we'll set aside those,
And if there is any notification or otherwise, you can always come back to say that they are proceeding with it. Consider for a prayer with a prayer for consideration. You can come back with it.
catch hold of the notice for convening the meeting today, today or tomorrow.
Tomorrow, no? Tomorrow.
Tomorrow is a puja day. I don't know whether
Just in
you'll
the
have, you
morning,
can
my
have a
lord,
meeting.
We'll have to give the convenience for meeting sometime, so it cannot be before next week. And it is usually done on a holiday so that the parents can participate. It's not before next week. Nothing is going on.
On 8th, my lord.
On 8th it is there. Nothing will happen. I'm obliged, man.
Hello.